In today's video, I'm going to teach you visual organization hacks. By the end, your spreadsheets will be clearer, easier to scan, and faster to update, without tedious manual formatting. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with quick wins that shape the overall look. First, apply alternating row colors using the Alternating Colors feature under the Format menu. This instantly creates a professional table effect that guides the eye across rows and reduces errors when reading wide datasets. Next, keep your headers in view as you scroll. Go to View, then Freeze, and choose the row or column you want anchored. Freezing the top row in the first column is ideal for large lists where titles and identifiers need to stay visible. If you're presenting a polished report, remove the default gray grid lines. Head to View, open Show, and turn off grid lines. This gives the sheet a clean canvas, especially when you've already defined structure with borders or alternating colors. While you're tidying up, adjust column widths automatically by double-clicking the line between column letters, like between A and B. This auto-sizes to fit the longest content in that column, saving time and improving readability. Now let's make the sheet interactive and dynamic. Conditional formatting can automatically change how cells look based on their values. Use it to highlight key data, like turning a cell red if a value drops below a threshold, or green when a task reads complete. For a quick visual sense of scale, apply a color scale to create progress-style shading, such as darker blues for higher sales figures. It's an easy way to spot trends without building charts. To reduce entry errors and keep updates consistent, use data validation to create drop-downs for statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This standardizes inputs and simplifies filtering. For task tracking, insert checkboxes via Insert, then Checkbox. Combine it with conditional formatting to strike through an entire row when the box is checked, instantly signaling completion without deleting data. Last, refine your typography and text handling. Choose accessible fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Verdana, and keep text at 12 points or larger for comfortable reading. Prevent long text from spilling into neighboring cells by using Format, Wrapping, then Wrap, which expands row height to show all content cleanly. If your data comes in messy, standardize it with simple functions: proper to fix capitalization, upper for uppercase labels, and trim to remove extra spaces that can break sorting and matching. Put these together, and your sheets will not only look better, they'll work better, clear, consistent, and easy to navigate at a glance. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.